Tangulia Kitui South ya mwikama Kitui South na tusenga niki County Assembly ya Kitui ikulea uvet na kwa approve the CCs kana ministers ma county ya Dr. Malombe. Ndio kwa speaker wa County Assembly ya Kitui kenengo katisha with the wakala hata ni with the oyu maduku miongole na ile kuma Dr. Malombe present nominees yake katika County Assembly. Wale dokulia kinengo na MMC alange mwalea nominees County Executive Committee members mwa bilivyo ibindela ya elite tu makulia meka nobo wa kutoa siasa duni katika County Assembly tuko ndio ndoma Kitui County mambo kwa maneno Dr. Malombe kwa kinengo kadisia ngada siasa duni na onenga ndoma Kitui County uduko mwailu Ola utongole Dr. Malombe alikuwa na ministers nika ndio wako na wake msee South on the reported attempts by a group of MCs to delay the vetting of Governor Julius Malombe's County Executive Committee members. We are shocked to learn that some members of the Kitui County Assembly have urged plans to stop or delay the expected vetting of the new County Executive Committee, whose names were forwarded to the Kitui County Assembly for vetting and approval by Dr. Julius Malombe. Upon vetting and approval by the County Assembly and assumption into office, the 10 nominees will assist Governor Malombe in serving our people and developing our county through implementation of its 16 sector manifesto for Kitui County. We have followed up and learned that these crooked plans to delay the vetting of the nominees, which would have taken place this week, is spearheaded by Speaker Kevin Kinengo and some opposition MCAs, among them Alex Nganga, the MCA from Yambani, who also happens to be the minority leader. The claims that Malombe forwarded the list of nominees to the County Assembly late than expected is pure hookwash that holds no basis in law, and it should be treated as nonsensical and malicious political chicanery, which we, the youth of Kitui South, would not listen to or allow. Dr. Malombe presented the names of his CEC nominees to the County Assembly on Friday, November 4th, 2022. And according to the Public Appointment County Assemblies Act 2017, the County Assembly should have discussed the matter at the committee level and subsequently got the nominees vetted within 21 days. It is now 22 days since Dr. Malombe presented his nominees to the County Assembly and nothing is happening besides the unwarranted blames and excuses from Speaker Kinengo Katisia and his cabal who are acting for former rejected Governor Kaluki Ngilu. We know that they want the current executive committee to remain in office a bit longer so as to continue feeding some cartels at the expense of the rest of the people of Kitui County. We want to remind our Speaker, Kinengo, and the County Assembly that the people of Kitui County spoke in the ballot on August 9th when they elected Dr. Malombe, their governor. And we, the youth, will not allow a few individuals to subvert the will of the people. The Assembly cannot continue holding the people of Kitui County at ransom, and we expect it to drop any baseless claims around the matter and let Dr. Julius Malombe's list of nominees be vetted and approved without further delay. We also want to remind Speaker Kinengo the popular Latin saying of, the will of the people is the will of God. The Assembly should vet and approve Governor Julius Malombe's County Executive Committee members soonest possible. Kitui needs to move forward. Thank you very much.
Mubeana nketebya mamu ikalatu kwa manito mudhanano wa umundi mwati ndanesa twakoma na bake lelo nikinene nundwa maundwala ma county ya Kitui methi twemendete kabola kana maethi na nzia itekweleka tona nusione kenda tukoma na bandu ne bate manena niena hitumana kula ku county ya Kitui kwesela kula ku speaker na kenda wise gwithiwa nimeka otondu mwenenzi wa Kitui kwenda kana otondu ngavana wa Kitui Julius Malombe onawetie kanondo kwenda twenda kwa sia waone Julius Malombe no lo tima minister make na niti kwigwa ma minister ni makwenda kulewa ni ma MCA tendo tumana kwa ma MCA nundu ni tena masakuye na bandu ba ku YouTube kuma mendia ku kwambia ngava na Malombe ngilwa tendo maravye temia kana ibinda yoni ni nyila tena masakuye na maile kunenge mwana ngava na Malombe within wabu kuma mwenenzi wa Kitui county undu wa mutabisie na ibinda ila tumanenge tendo muya otondo nolotie ma minister mamunenge mwana ako kumena ma minister makala wolotete na speaker natabwekana ithiandu ma imuika wake mutomo nitatuma na valawi atabwekana itheti kwenda ngwethe ndawe ya uthukumwe ni Julius Malombe na ma minister makala nolotie na siasa ila tiende ngilo ma minister ma MCA makala wina momba uneto muya kana ma MCA azima keno tanda mane nataka mabumebu Kitui county no kethe aneta kuma county ya Kitui ni Julius Malombe na ma MCA ala makwetikala na kudina yake kwa utenda kunenga ne mwana kwa Julius Malombe na speaker mametikile kuthukuma na ndayana maituthukuma na nzila cia ilite kwa njilo navo kangie ndeto ciake kwa county ya Kitui nondo ni na none kalene myaka 5 ni na mwema ni mubea